Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Classic Chevys, CJ the Cigar Man, and hey, I'm at the park, man, struggling around, just hanging out. It's a nice day out here today. You got a lot of people out here just chilling, enjoying themselves with all this crazy stuff going on. You got to be aware of what's going on, man. You know, so just I want you guys to hang out with me today and stuff, and this is basically going to be like a little intro, man, of what my channel is going to be about and stuff, and keep you guys informed. I'm going to start this YouTube channel with the intent of just having fun and doing things that I love to do, and hopefully I can share them with you guys. There's a lot of people down here, everybody down here kayaking and fishing. It's a nice, beautiful day today, man. Take you guys over here. Well, actually, right now I'm in Steels Creek here in Bristol, Tennessee / Virginia. Everything is kind of like on the borderline down here. I believe this part is actually Tennessee, though. It's pretty secluded, but this is a nice park. It's real nice, and I'm by the lake here. I'll show you guys a quick picture. This is the pavilion right here. That's the Steels Creek Pavilion. You guys can probably see that right there. And that's the lake. Everybody come out here and kayak and fish. There's people over there actually fishing over there. Normally this place is packed, you know, so you gotta basically be kind of creative, you know, and that's what I'm just trying to take you guys different places, and that's one thing that my channel is going to be about. You know, I'll be taking you guys to car shows, events. I'll be doing some vlogging. I'll be going to home garages and stuff, and a lot of DIY, just like the same type of stuff that I do and stuff. And you know, we'll be just visiting some of my friends that I know, and hopefully along the way, you know, I meet a lot of people, because I've met a lot of people over the years that do the same stuff that I do, and it's a, you know, tight-knit community and stuff. So I'll be bringing you guys into my world and stuff, and hopefully you guys can learn something. I know I'm gonna learn something along the way. So, but yeah, this is a nice area, man. Let's get that back shot there. And so people like asking me and stuff, well, you know, what are you gonna be doing on your channel? And I'm basically gonna be doing what I do every day. I mean, of course, I'm show you guys where I work at and stuff, and what I do every day. And then when I go home and work in the garage and things that I built, we're gonna be previewing that on the channel. So there's gonna be a lot of stuff that I'm gonna show you guys. And unfortunately, just now, all this stuff with the coronavirus and stuff going on, it's not too much. It's not a lot of car shows going on and stuff. So you got to be creative, man. And that's what I'm just trying to do. I'm trying to be creative and stuff, and give you guys some good content. And you know, until these car shows start coming back up, until then, we're gonna just be doing my builds, and hopefully, you know, some of my friends invite me over to their place, and I'll show you guys what they're working on as well. So you know, that's what we'll be doing. I'll be doing some vlogs and stuff about my channel, and I'll also be doing some Q&As. So my intent is, after I get a few videos underneath my belt and stuff, and people start commenting on different items that I'm building, I'm hoping to have some Q&As, talk about some things that we've done that week or whatever. Or I'll probably get at least, you know, 20 25 questions at a time, and who knows, maybe I do it once a month, and then I'll sit down and answer all you guys' questions and stuff. But hopefully, I don't want to be all over the place, but that's basically what my channel is gonna be about and stuff. And I love classic cars and classic Chevys. I like Fords too, so I'm pretty sure we'll have some Fords on this channel. And that's all right, as long as I'm right with you guys. So I'm gonna let you guys go with that, but I just wanted to take you guys with me today. I just want to do a little chat before I start this YouTube channel. And like I said, the YouTube channel is Classic Chevys with CJ the Cigar Man. And of course, you know, we're gonna have some cigar smoking in there, and we'll probably even talk about some cigars every now and then. But I'm mainly focusing on these old restorations, these old trucks, cars, builds and stuff like that, and DIY. Basic stuff that I've learned to do in the garage, you guys can do it too in the garage. So I just, hopefully you guys will support me with this journey we're gonna go on, and we'll go on it together, you know. So I'm looking forward to it and stuff, and I want you guys to check out my first video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I want, you know, and like I said, I encourage, you know, positive feedback, negative feedback, that's good. Negative feedback is good, so make sure you guys comment on all my videos and stuff, and I would definitely comment back to you guys. And everything, you know, hey, I know everything is gonna be peachy. I know, just like with my builds and stuff, and you guys will see when you guys watch it, I run into problems with these builds, but you know, you gotta have brain power and you gotta think your way through it. So I think he caught a little fish. That thing looked like a sardine. So anyway, we're gonna work through this channel, guys, and I'm just excited to be having a YouTube channel and sharing all the things that I've learned over the years, and I just think it's pretty cool. So I want to thank you guys for sitting down with me, and as soon as I get off here, I want you guys to go check out that first video. So Cigar Man out. And like I always tell people, if you got a good cigar, a fast car and truck, smoke them if you got them.